Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Square Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll explore the find and replace options, which simplify how you can navigate and change your Excel data. Excel's find and replace features are great time savers, especially with worksheets that might span thousands of rows and columns. Hidden in these features are options which simplify how you can navigate and change your Excel data. Let's start first with the find command. And this might be something that you're using every day. The easiest ways to launch that are either with Control F or in our Home tab, we look for Find under Find and Select. From here, specify what you're looking for. I want to find all the occurrences of admin. To put more power behind your find and replace commands, open up Options. From here, we might want to specify that we want to search the entire workbook or match the case because perhaps we're looking for a lowercase version to change it to uppercase. And do you want to limit only to those cells that have only that content, or perhaps it's part of a lengthier entry? Now this will search whether it's in formulas or simply data entry, text, values. So you can decide exactly how you want to work with this. For right now, I'll simply choose Find Next. Now that could be a little bit tedious, especially if we have a lot of occurrences. Here's one of the ways you can get a lot more power out of the find and replace. Choose Find All. Now we see all of the matches where this entry occurs. This will help you, especially if you choose to do a find and replace. You might discover some things that you had forgotten about or didn't realize were in that worksheet or even in that workbook. The nice thing about this too, let's say you were looking for a project code or an identifier, you can move right to it by simply moving to this as a hyperlink. And now Excel will take you right to that location. This can make it much faster for you to find the content you're looking for. For this, if I wanted to isolate it, I might say match entire cell contents. Now we try the find all, and I get a much smaller subset of that. The replace command is also available from this dialog box. We could find it or move to it from Excel by either pressing Control H, the keyboard shortcut, or once again finding it in the Home tab under Find and Select. For this one, I'd like to find admin only where it appears in that department, and I'll replace it with administration. For that, I could once again look at the Find All just to confirm that I'm not going to be replacing anything else. And this is another time saver. If we can check our work ahead of time, we're less likely to have to go find next, replace, find next, replace. Instead, I'll replace all. How would this help you save time? Let's look at another variation on that. Find and replace can help you with formatting. Maybe you have data that had been previously manually formatted with a highlight or bold or a color, and you'd like to change those. Or you'd like to find specific content and apply a format to it. For this one, I will look for all occurrences of blue. And what I want to do with that is replace that with the color blue. We can choose then format from this, where you can even choose formatting from an existing cell. But I'll dig into this a little bit more so, and from the format dialog box, I'll change the font here and pick the color to be blue. Additionally, I'll make that bold italics, and then we'll go ahead and OK. Here's a preview of what it will look like. I might want to just simply say Find All, show me, so I'm not going to be changing something I didn't intend to. And now I'll go ahead and replace all. As you can see here, we've leveraged find and replace to be able to also work with formatting. In this K-Squared Tech Tip, you've seen how to save time and effort by taking advantage of the Find and Replace options in Microsoft Excel. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.